Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to crossplay Red Dead Redemption Online between PC and PS4, and this needs to be explained clearly. Currently, Red Dead Online does not support crossplay between PC and PlayStation 4. This means PC players cannot join online sessions, missions, or free roam with PS4 players. Rockstar Games has separated Red Dead Online servers by platform to ensure fair gameplay and stability. PC users can only play with other PC players, while PS4 players are limited to PlayStation lobbies only. Even if both accounts are linked through Rockstar Social Club, cross-platform gameplay is not enabled. There is no in-game setting, official feature, or safe workaround that allows PC and PS4 crossplay. Any claims saying otherwise are misleading. To play together, all players must be on the same platform. Until Rockstar officially adds crossplay support, PC and PS4 remain completely separate in Red Dead Online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.